sizwile ukuthi ama-charges awu-4 akhona. Charge yokuqala i-attempted murder, because I think usisi bazochaza bafethu, but I think umgwaze more than 40 times. Ikakhulukazi because kunama-injuries asekhanda that angena almost closer to i-brain. So we just need to pray, of course, ukuthi uNkulunkulu intervene lapha akwazi ukuphuma. But the reality, if you look at the extent of damage, the intention was a murder. And that's why then a charge for attempted murder for usisi. But also there was an injury to undodakazi. Again, there's a charge for that, which is attempted murder, because if ukwazi umuntu nganqamuka ama-veins kwenzekile. So there are 2 people that he tried to kill. But the third issue is ama-documents wakhe okuba la, there's allegation. We are saying allegation for now because that must be confirmed enkantolo ukuthi ngathi kade lokho ayingene ngakho kwamphelela. So basically khona bakhe la is also illegal as well. So you are not dealing with a murderer or attempted a person who wanted to commit murder, but we are dealing with also a criminal or la against our immigration laws. This is a person obviously ozela, and I think one of the issues we must take up with the state ukuthi there's an allegation ukuthi berana amasonto lo muntu, but there's imithetho as well regulate ukurana kwamasonto eSouth Africa. So we need to investigate and see ukuthi leyo mthetho as well ayibreachwanga yini yena. But also there was already protection order ukuthi angabuyi la azokwenzela umhlangano wakho okuzama ukuthandaza and any other thing afuna ukuyenza. Wabreacha even that protection order, which means umuntu obeze with the intention ukuzobabulala. So I think okwethu, because umndeni was spoken now, because icala between yena ne-state, umndeni unelungelo loku-appoint abameli ukwenza lento ukuthi ukuwatch i-brief. So yilokho kumndeni okwenzile ukuthi-appoint ukuthi sizobheka lize liyophela icala. So every step i-state esenzayo sizobe sil-monitor. If there are issues, if for instance they decide ukuthi abam-prosecute, we'll do the normal process yoku-apply for a-private prosecution. Then sizokhuluma ney'nhlaka esisebenza nazo simshushise thina, because umthetho uyakuvuma lokho. So at the end of the day, umephuma la kufanele aphume eyejele eyodonsa over 15 years eWestville, which is what we want. But umeqeda ukudonsa isigwebo sakhe kufanele ahambe. I think okucritical okubalekile ukuthi njengoba ehleli lapha esibhedlela every single day udla imali yama-citizens. Umbheda ahleli kuwona uyakhokhelwa, ugesi ahleli kuwona, amanzi ageza ngawo, ukudla kudlayo. But at the same time, each and every nurse nodokotela ombonayo every day uyakhokhelwa estate, and imali yama-ratepayers. For a criminal ofanele ngabuzela enkantolo, abantu abasenkantolo, stenographer, uprosecutor, umantshi, and every system ngaphakathi iyakhokhelwa. This is a problem we have. People are abusing our justice system. They just walk into our country, they kill people. But if bekuthiwa bayibuyela la basuka khona koMalawi, koBurundi, I'm sure sibonela abasuka la badansiswa lapha by the state. The problem is our justice system sometimes allows these things, but umthetho. So we just need to comply with the law. Sibe patient. We must make sure ukuthi asibashayi. But every single foreigner sibonayo, let's bring them here, because more people are going to be killed by these people. So yeah, futhi kusasa inkantolo iyaqhubeka ngo8:30. Then we'll hear mangabe sefika nanokumbona ke nje ebusweni ukuthi ubani. Thank you so much.